May 28. The first two things before acting. The first thing to do: don't get worked up. For everything happens according to the nature of all things. And in a short time, there will be nobody and nowhere. Even as the great emperors, Hadrian and Augustus, are now. The next thing to do: consider carefully the task at hand, or it is, by remembering that your purpose is to be a good human being. Get straight to doing what nature requires of you, and speak as you see most just and fitting, with kindness, modesty, and sincerity. Marcus Aurelius. Imagine for a second what Marcus' life as an emperor must have been like. He would preside over the Senate. He would lead the troops in battle, direct the grand strategy of the army as its highest command. He would also hear appeals from citizens, from lawyers, from foreign governments. In other words, like most people in power, he was called on to make decisions, all day, every day, decision after decision. His formula for decision making is a battle-tested method for doing and acting right, literally, which is why we ought to try to use it ourselves. First, don't get upset, because that will color your decision negatively, make it harder than it needs to be. Second, remember the purpose and principle you value most. Running potential actions through this filter will eliminate the bad choices and highlight the right. Don't get upset. Do the right thing. That's it.
Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of I'm Max with your host, Max Roag. If you found value in our journey together, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upcoming episode. Love what you heard? Take a moment to capture a screenshot and share it on your social media platforms. Don't forget to tag Max. He's excited to share in your experience and offer his gratitude in return. For those eager to dive deeper, discuss today's topic, or if you're interested in being a guest on the show, please check out the show notes for all the ways to connect directly with Max. Max appreciates your choosing to spend your valuable time with him. As you go about your day, remember this empowering thought: you are your own hero. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.